Hi there, this is Nadine with MKM Reviews, and today we are going to use this 12-piece silicone mold from Me True to make some popsicles. The great thing about this mold is that it's just two pieces here, attaches together, and you use these popsicle sticks in here to put them in there, and then you can take it right out with no problems. And they also come with these bags that once you take the popsicles out, you can put it right in the bag. So what we do here to make our popsicles is we get our favorite drink, add some monk fruit in there, erythritol mix, and then add some fruits in there to make delicious popsicles. You can use whatever you prefer. You can use coconut water, you can use any fruit juice or whatever you prefer to make your popsicles. And if you want to add some fruits, I brought some berries here to add them in there. So we just fill up each one of the cavities in here. We don't want to fill it up to the rim because we want to add a little bit of fruit in there. And these make delicious, healthy popsicles for when you have a lot of kids coming, some sort of event. You just want to have them in your freezer. So after we get all the liquid in there, I'm going to drop in some of them some blueberries because not everybody likes them with blueberries. So I'm just gonna do 4 of them with blueberries. And just close this right up in here. We're going to close it up and just slide the sticks. And then once we have filled everything in there, we're just gonna take this and put it in the freezer until our popsicles are frozen. And this is an easy to make, delicious dessert. So after leaving these overnight in the freezer, we're ready to take them out and have a delicious dessert. Just pull this up and you can just tear it right off. And pull these right out of here. See, they have the blueberries inside of them. And here we go. Absolutely delicious. Serve it and ready to go.